Very soft and tender.
Today is day two of using the Instant Pot for dinner, and Tao wanted to make ribs. So I think I'm going to do the same thing I did with the rotisserie chicken. I think I'm going to pressure cook it so it cooks really quickly, and then I'll air fry it to give it like a nice outside layer.
We're going to start off by removing the membrane from the ribs and wash thoroughly. The other day, Tao and I went a little bit overboard on ribs for about $1 a pound at Aldi. Since the Instant Pot is pretty small and can make only about 2 servings at a time, I'm cutting this slab of ribs into thirds. For seasoning, I'm going with salt, cayenne pepper, black pepper, and brown sugar. Packing this one away for later. According to the Instant Pot guide, it says 20 to 25 minutes per pound, so let's do 36 minutes.
Now we're gonna pressure cook this and see what happens. So I just realized that I didn't put water in here, and I definitely need water. So I'm gonna add water to this. Don't do what I did. And let's try this again. It's time to release the valve and do it very safely. So this is what it looks like. It actually seems pretty good. It's really soft already, tender. Probably fall off the bone. Looks pretty good. So I'm going to air fry this.
Pouring out the water and adding this additional pan. Later, I realized that if I use this pan for pressure cooking, then I can go straight into air frying without pouring out the water.
We're gonna do this again and air fry this time. Let's try air fry 400 for, let's do 12 minutes.
I actually only air fried for 5 minutes, then removed it from the Instant Pot and then started to spread the barbecue sauce all over.
There you go. Maybe I might just do another like 2 minutes or so.
It's perfect. Still attached to the bone, but can come easily right off. And here's the special guest star. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my other Instant Pot videos down below. Thank you.
Very soft and tender. He's like a little bobbing head.